You know, I was saying before, when I was doing the niches, I was recording it, but it came out the wrong way around. The niches were, I don't know, I was upside down or something was wrong with my camera. But I was saying then, I still get a fuzzy feeling when you do a good niche, when you do a couple of nice niches, or even with a wall once it's grouted. After 35 years, I still feel a tingle, you know, a buzz. It's a good feeling. You know, I just noticed a chip in my tile. Silicone will go over that, and the bath is up against it, so it's not too bad. Yeah, pretty cool. I still get that tingle when you look at a job and it's, you know, it's nice. Okay, enough from me. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my tiling. We'll see you soon. Bye.